Alright guys, I'm here in Reno. I'm going to drive to the famous Mustang Ranch. Should be about a little bit less than 20 minutes, I think. I've never been there. I know I can't video in there. I actually emailed them once asking if I could video the place, but they never replied back to me, so I'm just gonna go drive there, take a look. I think they have a restaurant and a bar there, so I'm gonna try to maybe have a drink there and eat. Didn't eat today, and that'll be about it. I have no idea what the status of the Mustang Ranch is. It says it's open, so I'll take a look. It's not too far from Reno. And according to Google Maps, should be there in about 15 minutes. I'll see if I can find some copyright-free music here, because unfortunately you can't put music with the copyrights in it. Let's see, copy. This is all copyright-free music here. Might be good, might not. Let's go talk a little bit. Let's see. A couple of days ago, I was a little surprised. I went to a restaurant, talked to some people at the bar and stuff, and we talked for like an hour. And they kind of surprised me because they paid for my bill, and I didn't know, and they left. And I felt kind of bad because, you know, they paid for my bill, and I didn't say thanks or anything. I had no idea, so kind of made me feel bad. But otherwise, today is really hot. It's almost 100 degrees. I was using my camera that can record 8K. I took some video of some cars at the car show, and after about 15 minutes, my camera it just shut off. It was too hot for my camera recording 8K. So gave up on that. I'll have a few shots of some 8K shots. I'll put on my other YouTube channel. Otherwise, I'll go back to the music for a little while. So. I have no idea what this copyright music is going to play. Some of it sucks.
In 2 miles, take exit 28 toward Patrick.
Should be about 4
In
more
half a
minutes.
mile, take exit 28 toward Patrick. Take exit 28. In 1,000 feet, continue on to Waltham Way. Continue on to Waltham Way, then turn right to stay on Waltham Way.
Oh, you got signs right here. I forgot what the difference with the Wild Horse. I think maybe that's the bar or resort. I'm not sure. I'll check them both out, but like I said, I'm pretty sure I can't video in there. If I eat there, I'm gonna at least try to video the menu and try to video the food, I guess.
Take the next right to stay on Waltham Way, then turn right onto Wild Horse Canyon Drive. Take the next right onto Wild Horse Canyon Drive.
Oh, they actually got
Continue on Wild Horse Canyon Drive for half a mile.
some wild horses. I don't know if they're wild or not. I see some horses. Let's see here. I guess the name of the area is actually Mustang, and Mustangs is a wild horses. So there could be some wild horses there. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, those are horses, not donkeys or something. Got about 1 minute left. More Mustangs. I think I saw on Google Street View they have a security guard up here. If they do, hope you don't give me a
1,000
problem with
feet,
my
your
camera.
destination will be on the left.
It's okay. Oh, good. How are you?
Can I see your ID real quick?
Sure.
First time here today?
Yeah, I'm just gonna look. So, I have no idea what's gonna. I'm in town anyway. Military okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I got my driver's too. Thank you.
Just gotta get a quick temperature reading. Just a couple of house rules. There's no cell phone or smoking use inside the building.
Mm-hmm.
If you need to, just step out, do what you need to do. No sharp objects, no weapons, nothing of the sort. Other than that, you're good to head up right to where it says Wild Horse.
So I was gonna eat too. Is that where I would eat?
Yeah. So right through these main doors is the bar and the saloon. So that's where you'll order.
So what's the other one? The other one's a resort or something?
So they're both used for the brothel. We're just running out of this one right here, right in front of you. So that one also has everything inside.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. All right, there was security here. He didn't notice my camera. He said you can't use your phone inside. You can't video, you can't use your phone inside. He said if you want to use your phone, you have to step outside.
Destination is on the left.
Yeah, I'll be going inside, but I can't do anything. So sorry about that, guys. I'm glad he didn't see my camera. All right, so I hope you guys like, subscribe, and unfortunately I can't take any more video. So talk to you guys later. Bye.